Now, as you know, COVID-19 is going. Uh, we have to do that some changes. You can do a mask, you can do the sanitizer on your hand. That's why we are making today mask, handmade mask with a handkerchief. Okay, Harshada Miss will teach you how to make handkerchief mask using handkerchief and two rubbers. You can pin Harshada Miss video. Okay.
Okay, class. So I'm taking my camera towards my paper. You have to just follow the my instructions, which one I'm telling you, which one I'm showing you. Okay. So pay attention properly. Then only you will understand how to make a mask from the handkerchief, even with the two rubber band. Okay. So I'm taking my camera towards my paper. I'm giving you the options also. So on that place, if you're not having that material, what you can use. So see, I have a two cloths. Basically, this one is a handkerchief. But if you're not having the big one handkerchief on that place, you can use the big size one cloth also. Okay, like a thin, not a thick one, like a handkerchief. You can take any cloth also. The clean, neat
Cotton
cloth,
cloth.
the
Cotton.
printed, yes. But it is a cotton cloth. You have to use only the cotton cloth. We have to just make some simple steps and we have to create one simple mask with the help of this rubber band. Sorry, with the help of this rubber band and with this one napkin or this one cloth. Okay, so I'm using this one simple cloth. I'll show with the simple cloth. And one more thing, I mentioned in the material that you have to use the elastic rubber band. But if it is painful for you, you can't apply properly. So you can use this one rubber band also. This is optional. You can use this one rubber band also. Okay, so we have to start now. Can we start? Just thumbs up if all are ready.
Yes.
Okay.
Don't unmute yourself. Just
Okay. So
thumbs up.
first you have to spread your properly this handkerchief on the surface. Properly have to spread it like this way. Open it nicely. Okay, keep it properly. Now from the upside and from the downside, we have to make one fold till center. See till here. And now from the upside also, I'm doing the same thing. You have to fold it to your napkin, your handkerchief, or your cloth like this way till the center. Handkerchief center from upside and from downside. Okay, press it nicely. Press it nicely from your hand. Done the first one step. Thumbs up. Yes. Okay, very good. Press it nicely. Now one more step, one more fold we have to do. Now take from any one side, upside or downside. You have to fold one more time like this. Just one more time, press it. I'm showing you one more time. Those who did understand, once again, I'm showing you, I'm opening my handkerchief. I'm showing you from the starting. First, you have to fold your napkin from upside till center. Same from you have to do for the another side also from downside till the center. Press it properly. Okay, and then you have to fold your napkin, handkerchief one more time.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am, can you
I hope all
show once
understand.
more? Because I joined late.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, Ashwika. Okay, Ashwika. So this is your handkerchief, right? So from the upside and from the downside, you have to fold your napkin till the center. See, like this way. And from your hand only, press it properly. Okay. Same fold one more time we have to do from any one side, upside or downside. Choose your own and then you have to fold it one more time. Okay. Now this folding work is done. Now we have to use a rubber band. So I am using this rubber band. Okay. If you're not having this rubber band, you can use the elastic one also. Okay. So from the corner, we have to put the rubber band like this way inside. Same from the another side also, you have to put the rubber band. Now you choose how much big size you want the mask. So take a measurement from your hand, like this way also you can take the measurement. So this
Ma'am,
much you want. Okay.
one more time, how to put rubber band?
See, from this side you have to put the rubber band. Just hold it like this way
just put it in.
and like this way. That's it.
Okay,
Nothing
ma'am.
else. Okay. So you have to keep this much space inside for the mask. Okay. Now there is a last step. There is a last step. See, now this one corners, this both side corner, you have to take it in the center. From this side also and from the left side also. You have to take it inside. Okay. This much is done. Now this is a little difficult but easy only step. This is the last step you have to follow. From anyone side, from your left side, take a left one side. You have to see there is a so many layers. You can see there is a so many layers. Okay, so choose any one layer and you have to tuck this one right hand side one fold inside. See, once again I am showing you from your left side. There is a so many layers. You have to choose any one layer and in that you have to put this one right hand side one corner, tuck it properly, put your fingers inside and do it properly that cloth. So like this way you have to spread your cloth properly. Done? Okay. Now you have to hold your hand in the center. Hold your hand in the center and this rubber band we have to take in the corner. So take it like this way. First hold your hand in the center tightly and then take this rubber band in the corner. Okay. Same. Now once again put your hand like this way and take this one rubber band also in the corner. That's it. We done the mask. Now we have to put on the face. So how? See where we done this one tucking inside. Now that one side will come the lip side. Okay, and this one side will come outside. So I'm showing you how to apply the mask on the face. How to
Again?
Yes, sure. One more time. Just wait a minute.
Ma'am, it is
I'm
very
showing you how to.
easy.
It is very easy. See now you have to.
Ma'am, I have done also.
Very good. Very good.
Very good.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I was joining the meeting, so
Ashvika, tuck that corner properly inside. Okay?
So everyone understand?
it's my mask. It's my mask.
Don't unmute yourself. Put the audio everyone. I am
Don't
checking.
unmute yourself. If you wear it your mask, just thumbs up like this way. That's it. If you understand,
I-
just you have to do. See, I'm taking my this headphone out and I'm putting the mask on my face now.
मैं पेपर का क्यों नहीं पहन सकता वो भी क्रिएटिव लगेगा इसमें मैंने ड्राइंग्स की है
Ashvika, just tuck the corners properly inside. Yes. Yes.
Okay, everyone understand? You can spread your mask like this way also. If you want a big size, you can take little like this way.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Miss, how is mine?
It is
How
easy.
is mine?
Just
Very nice. Very.
And
Ma'am, see,
afterwards you can wash also. This mask you can wash also. And once again you can make it and once again you can use. Okay, so this is easy. Everyone understand? Okay, I will send this one video also on the WhatsApp. If you didn't understand, you can copy from there one more time. Okay.